Hey George, what are we doing down here?
We're putting our front drive shaft in, man. We're gonna do some all-wheel drive burnouts, hopefully.
Today is the day, George.
It is the day.
It's finally the day.
Finally, dude. S10, she's been over here crying and screaming in the corner for so long. I want to do a burnout.
I just figured this would be a great way to start off the video, you know.
Probably is.
Just lying on our backs.
Cue that new sick, intense, awesome intro. I don't remember how the song goes, but I do now.
Sweet. Hey babe, nice shoes.
Yeah, once I get this baby tightened up, dude, we got our small tires on there. Looks kind of funny, but I think it looks pretty cool with the Steelies.
Yeah, George is a big Steely fan. Had to have some sacrificial tires. Looking good, bud. Oh, look, a nickel.
Oh, that's probably mine.
All right, fellas, so I had this thing back on the dyno, and it's been a little while. Just kind of wanted to go through things, make sure everything was totally okay with it. So I finally got the flare taken care of. This thing has been pretty darn good and under control. We've got our methanol working. We had a problem with the methanol last time we were on the dyno there. Just got enough on there to where we're pretty good and safe. But we need to finalize doing a little bit more tuning with that a little bit later. So that's our control box right there. So I don't know if we've really clued you guys into how this whole methanol works, but basically this is our master switch right here that tells how much is going in. And then we have our turn on and our initial. So that is basically our trigger and how much we're hitting with pressure right there. So those are all squared away right now. And we definitely love our methanol. That stuff works fantastic, and it also helps stretch our fuel system for when we want to add a little bit more boost. So we are pushing our Dyno 3 pumps pretty darn hard right now, and if we decided we want to go up and boost, oh, by the way, it's been raining just about every day here, and we got some of this to kind of cover up when this guy's got to go outside here. But yeah, we are pushing our Dyno 3 pumps pretty darn hard, and for when we want to go up and boost, this is giving us just the right amount of extra room. But dude, this radiator, George, you clean this radiator and it is looking pretty darn good, buddy.
Oh, dude.
Super clean.
Super clean.
You got some on your shoes? Having a hard time
Sprayed
getting up
some on there. Rinse it off. Remember how black it was, dude, and all corroded? The whole thing.
Yeah, actually, I think that had a whole bunch of tranny fluid or something like on there that had a bunch of dirt and stuff. Looking good, man.
Sprayed it down.
Actually, that was pretty nasty too.
Yeah, remember? Yeah, we got to get a new gasket for that thing. Rhodes Motorsports, is that what it was?
Actually, that's not a good thing.
No.
We need a gasket for that. Then that means this thing's been out in the rain for a while. And
no, remember we had to hook up the third pump. I think that's probably what it was. We had to take it apart to hook up that third pump.
Oh, well, I was hoping it wasn't the fact that
just the water
going in. If
yeah, that would be not good.
That would suck. Give it a good yank.
Oh yeah, she ain't going nowhere.
Muscle man, squirrel. I mean George.
Aw, it messed up the paint a little bit.
Oh.
Look, it just made it flake and instantly rust. Wow. Oh, I'm excited, pal. This is either gonna be the coolest thing or the crappiest thing. It happens all week.
All right, so in the past we've tried to do something like this before, and I think what did we do?
It was something just like this.
Yeah, but you didn't really do anything. Nothing
We
worked.
just never really.
We did a little rip. You mean when the wheel blew off?
No, not that.
No, we're going to the same place we tried to do a burnout last time. Right on the concrete patch.
Oh, when we broke the diff?
No. That was another
when we broke
time.
The transfer case?
No, that was another time.
Oh. Talking about when...
Jeez, George, you're making it sound like a fail bucket and a half. You just went through like 4 things.
Hey.
Today's the day.
I haven't said that in so long.
We're good on methanol?
Yeah, that was all good last week.
Yep, topped her off. So you can do it for a good 3 minutes, 4 minutes, just off the box.
All right, well.
That's what I like to hear when Jeremy says, all right, well, that means
Time to go.
Showtime. All right, well,
Drop it like that.
I'm gonna head out.
All right, fellas, we're going to Showtime Speedway. It's like 2 blocks from the shop. Awesome venue. Hope to see you guys out here sometime. We have so much fun here.
Did you tell them you remembered why this didn't work last time?
Okay, we didn't. Since we had an open diff transfer case, is why it wouldn't do it, because basically it was transferring the weight to the rear and stuff. That's why. So now we got the welded up transfer case.
So right now on the front diff cable, are we engaged or disengaged?
I don't know.
How was it steering coming here?
I didn't.
Oh yeah, how'd it feel?
It feels fine. I mean, but it's like I didn't notice anything because I didn't give it really any throttle. We just kind of babied it here.
It's disengaged right now.
Okay. So, but it pulled out is pulled out. I thought
The opposite of what we have now is what we need to be.
Yeah.
All right, let's check it then.
No, mine doesn't.
Oh, you got it, son. You got it, son. Yeah. Freaking put some duct tape. Oh, you had it and you lost it.
No, it's good. It's good. Should be good now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, so our
Now you
adjustment
gotta try
of
to-
basically how we're locking the front diff got out of adjustment, basically. All right, so hopefully we got this nailed down now. Let's do this, man. Come on, George.
Are you excited?
No time like showtime.
All right, this time, let's make this happen. It's been a while since this thing's been apart and back together and changing stuff and all that. And yeah, that adjustment right there, not only does it pull out, but when we twist it, it's kind of like preloading it. So I think we got it.
The bearded wizard is putting on his helmet. Brought to us by Race Quip and our HP Tuners LOJ Mishimoto Motion Raceworks Deetsworks Turbo Smart S10 ICT billet 2 and Race Quip again. Showtime, folks. Oh, slingshot! Woo! That was awesome!
Oh, let's do that again.
That was the coolest burnout ever! Yes! Whoa, look at the burnout mark!
Oh, dang, dude, that is sick.
Dude, there's rubber everywhere. That is so sick. That is so sick. Oh my gosh, that was epic.
Roach gets hot real fast, man.
Hey,
Holy cow.
roasted those. Awesome.
My shoe's stuck.
Yeah, it has some crazy looking tire coming off of there.
Yeah, we got
We got out of it just in time though. We would have had mess to clean up.
You hit it pretty hard too, like it jerked.
Yeah, I was wondering what that felt like from your perspective too, because like, dude, I don't know what happened when I yanked second. I don't know why it like bit or something, but
Oh, after that first burnout,
Yeah.
at the end of it, I thought you might have disconnected the front from the back because it kind of hopped and you
it
got
did
like,
something.
"Ugh."
Yeah, it did something a little bit funny. So honestly, we haven't beat on it that hard for that long, even though that wasn't terribly that long. I mean, it's
No, but she was beat on for a little while.
it's on the.
Woo! Gosh! Doesn't get old. It does not get tunnel. We have lost the hose. Kill it, Jeremy.
We definitely got a little geyser here. He's hot.
Poor baby. Poor baby. That thing running better than most boats. Better than my boat.
Woo! Very cool. Well, dude,
Jeremy, today was the freaking day.
today was the day.
Finally.
That was the first all-wheel
All right,
burnout.
buddy.
That was the first
First one, man. We've been talking about this forever, dude. Forever.
We did it right though. Go big or go home.
She was sustained four-wheel burnout.
Yeah, man.
Puppies.
Oh, now we just got to figure out how to keep it cool. That's
Yeah.
Man, let's get this thing back to the track. We'll see you sometime Wednesday, buddy.
Okay, sounds good.
Hopefully it's
Now we got to maybe make a, are we looking at maybe making an 8th mile hit on it, or?
yeah, we need to. We're definitely, so guys, next thing is we're trying to figure out how to launch this thing and get it down 8th mile. Because if you don't 60 foot good, then there's no reason to go down the 8th mile. There's no reason to go down the quarter mile. All right,
you.
dude, thanks for letting us do it. So,
Hey,
guys, we're going to see you
anytime,
sometime at Showtime Speedway.
Come on over and see us.
Hell yeah, man.
Home of Jeremy's private test.
That's becoming like that.
Well, it's good though. It's fun. It's good entertainment.
Dude, they're so different. This is super tacky. I mean, I don't know if it's just what the tires are, but I've never had this much fun experimenting with this many different types of rubber. This right here is powder and feels totally and completely different, like charcoal.
So is that a Kumo or is that a Continental?
We got an Exta, and then we got a Continental.
That's a Kumo.
Yep, Kumo Continental.
Yeah, we
And yeah, it's so weird, so different. So we got clumpy stuff, and we got an overheating truck. Yeah.
This was stringy, whatever this tire is. Look at what it did to this tire.
Oh man, yeah, that is awesome. I've been wanting to do this since the inception of this whole project. This has been a goal. I'm so glad that we can cross that off now. So I guess what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to disengage for second gear, or no, disengage for 2-wheel drive for burnout, and then we go in 4-wheel drive on launch. What do you think?
It's going to work a little bit like that. You're still going to have one tire in the front though. It's one.
Yeah.
Because you're open diff versus limited slip.
So we're talking 3-wheel drive versus 4-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Was I thought that, oh yeah. I kept thinking that we're
No.
disengaging the whole front.
That's with the welded transfer case.
Yeah.
If we put in the Trailblazer SS transfer case, it's going to send power to whatever spins the easiest. So that'd be the rear wheels.
Yeah. Gotcha.
That's what we had in Texas, right?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty good though.
Gotcha. I'm so glad that we were able to do this, man. This thing is, I'm
Sick,
pumped.
dude. Look
I'm
at
pumped,
this,
man.
like 10 feet long. You were damn left and right. It's pretty awesome. It was so awesome, dude. It just doesn't feel so good after all the, all the times getting knocked down. This time we're back up on top.
Dude, it feels good, man. It feels good. That feels so freaking weird, man. I love it. It feels good, but it feels weird.
Yeah.
Sometimes weird is good.
It's definitely such a weird sensation, like steering it back and forth. That is so odd, for sure.
Take those clouds.
Burnout clouds. My wife's had a problem with the grill ever since I put it on, and she's just like, I can't stand it. So she's like, no, I'm taking the grill off. All right,
It's gotta
fine.
go.
All right, fine, take the grill off, babe. Makes you happy. So.
So this was a very successful.
That was
I would
freaking
Very
say
sick.
a
successful
small
burnout trip.
monumental
Yeah.
part in the whole S10, because this was something that we wanted to do from the get-go.
Now we gotta look over everything, right? Give her a good.
Yeah, man. So this
up.
thing, we got to try and get a. I'm super happy with the way that the S10 performed now. If the rain would just hold out here in Florida, we'd take this thing down the 8th mile and really try and get some good times with this thing. But we got to be able to get our launch figured out, guys, before we go to the quarter mile. There's no sense trying to be fast there when we can't be fast in the 8th mile. So we got to get our short time figured out. 60 foot's got to make it happen.
Dang right.
Tune from there.
Little
I haven't
two-step
seen
action.
George this excited in a while.
I mean, we haven't done anything this cool in a while.
Fair enough.
Look at there's rubber all over the entire truck. I mean, it's gonna, gonna have to clean it, but For now, it's fun to look
Hey,
at.
when does it get a nice little wrap job?
I don't know.
After that burnout, darling, you
She
get
deserves
real
one.
soon.
Guys, on that note, let's close this up. This has been awesome. This is something that we've been wanting to bring to you guys for literally months. We were actually trying to do this at Houston, but I guess it probably wouldn't have. No, we probably could have done it at Houston. Maybe.
Yeah, it was working.
Yeah, but
It launched good.
yeah, we just couldn't get everything, couldn't get all the bugs worked out. So that opportunity passed. But today was the day, brother. So
Feels so good to hear.
yeah,
it.
man. Glad you were able to be here to see this, man. There's a big old check mark right there.
Yep. That's a pretty cool shirt you got there. Have you seen mine?
Who's that goofball?
In case you want to make some power and do all-wheel drive burnouts like us, check out the Fasterproms store where you can get hats, t-shirts, stickers, lanyards, and hoodies. We got hoodies.
We do have a couple,
And
only a
all
couple
our stickers
hoodies.
back in stock. Check out our brand new Underdog Racing sticker. It is fire.
George is good.
George is so much better than you at this.
Yeah, he is.
He really is. He could sell anything.
Ice to an Eskimo.
I could sell ice to an Eskimo, man. I could sell salt to a slug.
All right, guys, we're gonna give you a song.
You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck.
I got something for you that is Ozzy Osbourne, Don't Want to Stop, because I don't want to stop with this boat. Here we go, buddy. All right, we'll see you guys next episode. God bless you. We'll see you around.